think of the times that we run happily to the park, playing, screaming, chilling, enjoying free shower from above. Sometimes when it rained, I remember times when frogs, big and small, so loud, jumping, playing under the rain, while we are screaming for more rain. Sometimes when it rains hard for many hours, that our drinking water tank overflowing. No fetching water for drinking and washing for a days or week. Sometimes when it rains, I think of times when I sit watching the duckling quacking, playing, swimming, chasing each other in the pond. Mother duck patiently watching, protecting them from anything. Sometimes when it rains, I think of times when calling my friends, asking them to play under the rain, catching mudfish, keeping them in a jar with water lilies. Sometimes when it rains, I remember times that we are so excited we don't need to fetch water for our crops and for drinking, enjoying colder days, blanket wrap around ourselves, watching movies at my grandparents' house. Yes, every times when it rains, it will bring back memories of good old days, feeling young and invincible, never afraid to get wet from the rain. When it rains, when it rains, when it rains.